Well, the red flags are flying tonight, not just on the high desert or in the mountain areas, but in communities up and down the Southern Valley. High winds and drought conditions making for extremely bad air quality and unusually high fire risk tonight.
Fire crews are keeping an eye out. It's a ticking time bomb that may or may not explode. 17's Christian Galeno joins us live now from the Panorama Bluffs in northeast Bakersfield with the concerns raised as those winds rake Kern County tonight. Good evening, Christian.
Tammy and Jim, a very good evening to you. And that is right. We are actually entering the peak where the wind gusts and wind speeds are supposed to reach their wind in the area right now here in the San Joaquin Valley. So much so that the threat is really high right now. The National Weather Service has issued a red flag warning due to expire tonight at 11 p.m. Now, all day long, we've been seeing strong winds really picking up, and that threat is also posing major threats in our mountainous communities, but also here in our urban communities.
With 25-mile-an-hour winds that we currently are sustaining and gusts up to 50 mile an hour.
The heightened fire conditions that we have, everything's been dried out for quite a while. We haven't had very much rain within the last couple months, so that's always a hazard.
All throughout the San Joaquin Valley, wind gusts are picking up dust, tricking the naked eye to think it's fog.
So early on, we've been getting a lot of vehicle accidents, so visibility's low out on the highways. So be careful, slow down.
Mountainous communities that don't have defensible spaces face deadly fire threats.
Because in these types of winds, that fire has the potential to grow way beyond the capabilities of first-aid engine companies.
In urban areas, other factors pose a threat.
Hazards that happen, such as power lines arcing because of the high winds. We have a large, very densely populated residential area. Those fires can spread very quickly, and we've had a few of those where we've lost 2 or 3 houses at a time.
The air quality is not good, so limit that outdoor activity. If you don't have to drive, don't drive today.
Now, again, we are entering the peak period of today's red flag warnings, where we are expecting to have the strongest winds, wind speeds, and wind gusts. You can see really right behind me that wind has just picked up within the last couple of minutes that we arrived here to the Panorama Bluffs. Now, again, CHP is again reminding you that if you do not have to hit the roads tonight, do not do that. Just stay home, prevent any accidents. We have been getting reports that out in the desert communities, some roads have had to been closed due to the fact that the threat is just way too high. There's been reports of several accidents as well involving big rigs, so that is quite concerning right now as well. Now, during our 6 o'clock hour, we will bring you more on these wind gusts and these red flag warnings as well, but also about one of the threats that exist in the air pertaining to the air quality. For now, that's the latest from the Panorama Bluffs. Christian Galeno, 17 News.